I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today is a cast iron Wednesday, and Native Tears and Shovelhead 8, who pretty much came up with the themes for the months for cast iron Wednesday, have said that July's is barbecue. So I'm doing some barbecue in the cast iron. I'm going to do barbecue venison meatballs, and we're going to make some meatball subs. This will be actually really good. The barbecue sauce and topping that goes with the venison meatballs, because venison tends to be a little bit drier unless you add some fat to it. So this will keep them nice and moist, and it makes really good meatball subs. So let's get to it. So what goes into it? I have my ground venison. Obviously you can use ground hamburger. Not everybody's going to have ground venison on hand. For the meatball part, there's milk, breadcrumbs, eggs. I like a little horseradish. I'm going to add in a little salt and pepper and some onion. And then for our topping part, the barbecue part, it's going to be water and ketchup and brown sugar and nutmeg. So let's get to adding the goodies. It's down a little bit. Throw in our onion, our milk, breadcrumbs, eggs, a little dash of horseradish, and some Pennsylvania pepper. And a little salt. Okay, that's all mixed, and we're going to make them into meatballs. Okay, so I have my meatballs made in the pan, cast iron of course. Now we're going to put together the quick barbecue sauce that's going to go over them that they're going to cook in. So I'm going to add in our ketchup first, then our water, make that into a nice little, mix it up well into a little sauce. Then we'll add our brown sugar. Mix that in really well. And our nutmeg. And now we're just going to put this over our meatballs. I like doing this just to make sure they're all covered. And you know, if you don't want to do it this way, you want to use your favorite barbecue sauce, that's perfectly fine. If I was going to use a bottled sauce, I would use the Best Barbecue Sauce Period, which is actually made by some folks here in Berwick, PA. And frankly, it beats Sweet Baby Ray's and all of them as far as I'm concerned. It's really good. She came up with an awesome recipe, and it's when they now have branched out that they sell it in a couple of different places now locally, but before you had to wait till you went to like Covered Bridges Festival or pick it up from them privately, and I would buy a couple gallons at a time. Okay, these are gonna go in my preheated oven, 350 degrees, and we're going to bake them up. And this is the stuff I was telling you about. Best barbecue sauce anywhere, period. And this stuff is pretty amazing. And here's their contact info to get yourself some. And they're out of the oven. My barbecue meatballs. So, you know what comes next. We're going to put them together and make a meatball sub, and taste test time. Okay, I've got my Italian hoagie roll here. And we're going to put these in nice and hot. Cheese on top. And if you want these to melt, you can either put them under the broiler or zap them in a few minutes. I'm just going to put it back in under the broiler and melt it down. Here it is all melty, and you know what comes next. And if you want a little more sauce, you know, you can add more sauce across the top. But with the cheese, I think it's good that way, so you know what comes next, the taste test. So these are what the barbecue gems look like. And here's my quick hoagie I made with them. You know, there's no delicate way to do this. No pretty way to eat this. That is so good. Those are really yummy. So you want to do a twist on a meatball sub, barbecue meatballs are the way to go. So anyway, the Cast Iron Wednesday, the theme was barbecue, and venison barbecue meatballs, meatball subs. Check out Cast Iron Wednesday. They have a full playlist going, all kinds of cast iron dishes. Shovelhead 8 and Native Tears. Native Tears actually started this couple years ago, and they try to do Cast Iron Wednesday every Wednesday. And a lot of good folks have cast iron dishes out there. Strong's Adventures, Dan's Outdoor Cooking, Saucy the Towboat Chef. There's a bunch of them. So check them all out. Check out the playlist and try some barbecue meatballs. They were really good. Really good.